Hi guys, this is a very brief overview on how you will complete this portion, step 9, for your career project final project. I understand this says Tuesday, but I will change it to Thursday. So if you'll recall last week, I gave you this graphic organizer and I asked you to complete this. This will come in very handy now. You were given these guidelines on how to do your research project, and so I just want to walk you through it step by step, how it would be taken care of. First, you would open your Google Docs, and you'll see that I've opened my Google Doc. And your first requirement is to make sure that slide 1 has your title slide with your name and class period. So I have done that. I put a title slide with my name, and then I just chose 8th grade. And then it tells you that your second slide should be your career cluster 1 with the title of that career and your fit score. Now, I understand that if you're doing your fit score and maybe with your fit score, these fit scores were the same, maybe both of these were 96, just pick the first one. And then when you do your next set of slides, you'll pick this one if both of these fit scores are the same. No big whoop. But I'm going to start with veterinarian sciences. So I start my career cluster number 1, veterinarian sciences, and my fit score was 96. My next slide told me to pick the very first level. My very first level was level 1. It told me to make sure I put the type of training I need, which was no formal training, and pick one occupation, which for me was farm workers, the wages, and some of those tasks. Remember, this follows along with your organizer that you worked on last week. So work smarter, not harder. My second level was high school diploma, where I picked an animal trainer, and then I provided the wages, and then I provided the tasks. Now, this goes along directly with my major clarity. Here's my levels, and I'm just following along with my major clarity levels. My next slide is level 4. I need an associate's degree. I picked veterinarian technologies. I included the wages and some of the tasks. Level 5 was my next level that I could select, which was Bachelor of degree. I picked the park naturalist, which I thought that was interesting to me, the wages and some of the responsibilities. And then the very last level is level 8. And then that was the only level I could pick with an occupation, which was veterinarian. So that was slide 7. And so I put that in for my slide 7, veterinarian, the wages, and the task for the responsibility. And then if you'll notice, it says you will repeat the above process for clusters number 2 and clusters number 3. So my cluster number 2 and cluster number 3, my cluster number 2 is biotechnology and video production. So I'll do the same thing for biotechnology and I'll do the same thing for video production. So you'll see that I started cluster number 2. And so I'll type in biotechnology here. And then I'll put my fit score because that was what was required. I believe my fit score was maybe a 90. So I'll put my 90% here. And then I'll start my next set of slides with level 1. My level number 1, good gravy. And whichever education I need. So I'll click on learn more. And so now I'll do slides for level 2, level 4, level 5, level 7, and level 8. So I'll need 5 more slides for biotechnology. And then once I do those 5 slides, then I'll repeat the same process for video production. Okay? Remember, this is due next Thursday. Next Thursday is the 16th. So you'll be turning in this graphic organizer and you'll be turning in this final product on next Thursday. I sure hope this helped. Have a wonderful day. And please, as always, if you have any questions, please email me or, of course, ask me in class. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day.